Are you going to make me an egg for breakfast?
No, this is mine.
Oh, that's your breakfast? Okay.
This is my birthday.
Is it your birthday or was it Daddy's birthday? Are you selecting your proper utensil? What are you looking for? The spoon. Yep, you do. I think the pizza's on the plate. You see the pizza by the door?
Yes.
There you go. Can you say bye-bye, Noah?
Bye-bye, Noah.